What if I told you you can learn English at your home without even spending a single rupees? Hello everyone, this is Full Babu and today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can learn English at home. In this video I'm gonna share with you three simple steps that you will follow, then you will learn English fast and influence way. So the first way, listen more. A lot of people they are just trying to learn this language without even listening on native speaker. So the first step that you will have to follow, you will have to listen the native speaker so that you will learn some vocabulary and some new words and your subconscious will automatically think in English. In my case, when I started listening, I have seen a lot of changes in my inside of my mind. My mind automatically started thinking in English. And if you will listen or native speaker, you will learn so many things from there. In beginning, you will think that it's not a good things for you, so let's quit to listen in English everything. What I did in my past to learn this language, I surround myself with English content all the time. Whenever I feel I have to learn this language, then why not to surround myself with the English environment? Whenever I feel that I have to watch something on YouTube, I go on YouTube, I search that topic in English and I start watching that sentences. When I feel that I have to listen any song, then I go on YouTube and I start searching over there English song and I start listening that song. When I have to see something for the entertainment purpose, then I go on YouTube and start something in English of entertainments and I start watching that things. So basically what I did, I surround myself with all the input that I am giving to my subconscious in English, and for the 6 months I have done it continuously, and that's why you can see the clear difference. The now I am speaking and then I was speaking, that was totally different. Step 2, that is very basic and simple. Read a lot. I have seen that so many people they are trying to read, but they read slow. They don't ever try to read anything fast. So what I did in my past to learn this language, whenever I have to read books, then I take any books from my bookshelf and I start reading louder. For that I have find a place where no one can hear me and no one can tell me that why are you speaking louder, because I know that if I have to learn this language, I will have to hide myself from the people. I find a peace places where no one's there to disturb me, and I started practicing over there for so long, and I did it this for the last 6 months, and I get massive results in my way speaking English right now. So this is how you can change your environment, and this is how you can read the books to learn this language. And number 3, most important, everybody escape this process, but you will have to follow this number 3 process, that is practice. See, if you are trying to learn grammars and study grammars and trying to remember vocabulary, it's not gonna help you to speak in this language. If you want to speak in this language, you have to practice more and more. This is the only way that's gonna help you to speak fluent. Let me just tell you something about my friends who study about grammar for the last 2 years. They haven't ever tried to speak in front of people, in front of public, in front of camera, but if you will see them, still they are staying at the same place. And my example, as you can see right now, I did it for the 6 months, and now as you can see the way I'm speaking in English, that is dramatically impressive. So the main things that how you are giving time to practice to yourself. If you are giving yourself too much time for practice, you will learn it very shortly in your life. In my case, it took me 6 months to speak like this way, and I don't know how much you are dedicated towards this language. If you will dedicate about this language and if you will immerse yourself in this language, definitely I can say that it will only take 6 months to learn this language. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the last, and I hope you will meet again in another video. Till then, bye, see you in the next.